In this video, you'll learn how to deposit fiat currency to Binance. This guide will walk you through each step required to successfully complete your deposit and ensure that your funds are available for trading. Start by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are logged in, look for the wallet section, which is typically located in the main menu. Click on wallet to proceed to the next step. After entering the wallet section, you will see various options related to your account balance. Look for the option labeled deposit and click on it. This action will direct you to the deposit interface. Here, you will find options for both cryptocurrency and fiat deposits. Select fiat to continue the process. Once you've selected fiat, you will need to choose your preferred currency from the list provided. Ensure that you select a currency that is supported by Binance. After choosing the currency, you will be presented with the deposit methods available. Depending on your location, you may see options such as bank transfer, credit card, or other payment methods. Choose the method that best suits your needs. After selecting your deposit method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction. If you opt for a bank transfer, you may need to provide your bank account details. Be aware that the processing time for bank transfers can vary based on your bank and location. For credit card deposits, you will typically be prompted to enter your card information securely. Keep in mind that transaction limits may apply, and your bank may impose additional fees. Once you've completed the deposit process, a confirmation message should appear on your screen indicating that your transaction is being processed. Depending on the method chosen, the funds may take some time to reflect in your Binance account. You can monitor the status of your deposit by navigating back to the wallet section and checking your account balance to confirm the successful deposit. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.